Hi, I'm John Marod from YourNetBuddy.com, and I'd like to welcome you to this Vidnami, formerly known as Content Samurai, tutorial. Vidnami is an online video creation platform that helps you grow your business using the power of video. You see, we now live in a video-first world where people prefer to watch video rather than read. And according to Cisco, video now accounts for more than 80% of all internet traffic. People are watching more than 500 million hours of video each day on YouTube alone. And over 500 million people watch videos on Facebook every day. So if you're not using video in your business right now, then you're missing out on one of the most powerful ways to reach new customers. The good news is that Vidnami is the most versatile video creation platform available today. Let me show you all the different types of video that you can create with Vidnami. The first type of video that you can create is what are called influencer videos. Now, influencer videos allow you to upload a video of yourself that you record using your smartphone or a video cam or even a DSLR camera. You can then drop images or other video clips over the top of your talking head to illustrate what you are talking about. Here's an example of an influencer video made with Vidnami.
Hi guys, it's Dr. Anthony here. I'm just about to do school pickup and I thought I'd make a quick video. I wanted to answer one of the most common questions we get, which is what's the best type of microphone to use for creating videos? The mic we use is called the Rode SmartLav Plus, and there's 3 reasons why we love this mic. First of all, it delivers fantastic quality audio. Second, it's super easy to use and plugs directly into many smartphones. And third, it only costs about US $60. So if you're looking for a high quality, easy to use, good value microphone, be sure to check out the Rode SmartLav Plus.
By regularly creating influencer videos like this, your online audience gets to know, like and trust you. And as you build a large worldwide audience, you'll find that every promotion you do is much more effective and more profitable. And best of all, Vidnami makes creating influencer videos incredibly quick and easy. The next type of video that you can create with Vidnami is content videos. To create content video, you simply take an existing blog post or article, drop it into Vidnami, and the system uses artificial intelligence to automatically select pictures and clips from a library of over 790,000 that comes from storyblocks.com. You record or upload a voice track and quickly create content videos that are perfect for social media. Here's an example of a content video made from a blog post using Vidnami.
To create a content video, you simply take a blog post or article, drop it into Vidnami, and then the system uses artificial intelligence to automatically select clips from our library of over 790,000 professional clips from storyblocks.com. You can then record or upload a voice track and quickly create content videos that are perfect for social media. Here's an example of a content video made from a blog post.
With summer break just around the corner, here's our 5 top tips for traveling on a budget. Tip number 1. Book flights online using a VPN. Prices often vary depending on where you are booking from. You can use a simple VPN to make it look like you're booking from a different country and save a bundle on flights. Tip number 2.
If you've been blogging for a while, you can use Vidnami to convert every blog post that you've ever written into a professional video and quickly build up a following on YouTube, on Facebook and Instagram. Now, the next type of video that many businesses need to create is video ads. Vidnami comes with a built-in library of instant ads that allow you to create professional ads in less than 2 minutes. All you have to do is choose an instant ad template, you customize it with your business details, and you'll instantly have an attention-grabbing ad to use on social media platforms such as Facebook. Here's an example of an instant ad made with Vidnami. The next type of ad you can create is something that every business needs. It's a sales video. Now, I don't mean one of those pushy salesman, kind of used salesman, car salesman type videos. A good sales video simply explains how your product can help your customers solve a problem that they're facing. All you have to do to create a professional sales video in Vidnami is drop in your script, tweak your scenes, and render your video. Here's an example of a sales video made with Vidnami.
Would you like a free holiday? Most people assume that they can't afford a family holiday because the cost of travel and accommodation is way out of their budget. But what if I told you there was an easy way to travel to exotic destinations with your entire family and pay nothing for accommodation? That's right, $0. My guess is you'd be skeptical, which is completely understandable. So let me explain.
Sales videos like this are now the most effective way to sell your product or services online. Now, another great way to use Vidnami in your business is to create videos to communicate with your customers after they buy your product. Because Vidnami is one of the fastest ways to create training videos and course videos. Here's part of an online course video created using Vidnami.
Hi guys, and welcome to video 5 of the Fit Mom Nutrition module. In this video, I want to share with you 3 of my top eating tips. These simple tips will help you to stop stressing out about food and allow you to put your healthy eating plan on autopilot. Specifically, we'll be covering...
So there you have it. You've now seen examples of some of the different types of videos you can create using Vidnami. You can make influencer videos to create online audience. You can create content videos from existing blog posts or PLR. You can produce attention-grabbing ads in a matter of minutes. Produce video sales to convert viewers into paying customers. And you can produce online course material or training videos to communicate with your customers. So be sure to grab your free trial of Vidnami and try out the system for yourself. Please click the link which is below this video and start your trial today. Thanks for watching.